Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can export a Notion into a PDF. So guys, what you have to do, just these simple steps you can do and you can apply. Open your project on Notion as you can see here and go to the top right corner and three dot. After that, guys, scroll down easily and you find this option export. Click this export and choose the export format. You have the CSV format and you have HTML and you have PDF format. So guys, what you have to do, just click on PDF format to export and select here your scale percent, and you can include sub page here option and just click export. As you can see here, you can export this as a PDF. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video as soon as possible. And any question guys down below in comment here and I will answer your question as soon as possible.